Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, hi, hello, welcome. My name is Savannah and welcome to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be doing something blue, as you can tell from the title and probably the thumbnail. I don't know where I'm going yet, but I just know I want it to be blue, so that's what we're doing. I literally just woke up and I want to play with some makeup. So if you guys aren't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button and we're going to jump right in. So to prime my eyes, I'm using my old beat up Maybelline FitMe concealer. This one is in the shade 20. And I'm blending that out with the Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush. And then we're going to go ahead and set with just some translucent powder. Okay guys, so for the eyes today, we're going to be using the Morphe 35B palette. It's a super colorful palette. The first shadow we're going to pick up is going to be this purple shade right here. I'm picking that up on a Morphe, on a Sephora Featherweight Crease Brush. And we're just going to apply this into the crease area. We're going to first do windshield wiper motions and then we're going to do circular motions. I'm really going to pack down this color too to make sure that I'm getting like that pigment that I want. Alright guys, so I went ahead and did the other eye off camera real quick just so I knew where I was heading with this look. The next shade we're going to pick up is going to be this deeper purple right underneath that lighter one that we just used. I'm picking that up on a Morphe E17 brush and I'm just going to buff that into the crease the same way I did that light shade. And then after every shade I put down, I always like to go in with the previous brush that I used just to kind of blend those two colors together. Now for the blue, I'm going to pick up this pretty bright blue right here on the end. I'm going to pick it up with my finger first and then I'm going to apply it to my lid and then we're going to go back in and touch it up with the brush. I just feel like it got better pigment with my finger first than with the brush. So now I'm going to go ahead and dip into it with the brush. It's kind of like a pointed fluffy crease brush. I'm just going to touch up the edges around here. And then again, going in with the previous brush, kind of blending it all together. And the reason for us putting down those purple shades in the crease area is just so it gives it kind of like a faded, darker blue effect as we go out into the crease. So you can see that it's super light blue down here and then it fades out into purple. And that's what we want. Now you can totally leave it like this. I'm going to go ahead and add some glitter. I'm going to be using Urban Decay Razor Sharp Longwear Liquid Eyeliner. This one is in the shade Cuff. This is going to be like super duper hard to do on camera, but I'm going to try my best. Alrighty guys, and that's it for the eyes for now. I don't know if I want to do a wing liner or not. Maybe I should. Maybe I should. Yeah, let's do some wing liner. I'm going to use the NYX liquid eyeliner. This is the Pout tip eyeliner and that's the point. I'm just going to do some liquid liner off camera because that shit is hard to do on camera too, okay? Okay guys, so I went ahead and added some winged liner. Now I'm going to go ahead and just move on to the face. We're using the NYX Q10 Renew Skin Elixir Primer. Can you guys hear the wind outside? It is so windy outside. It's insane. For foundation, we're using the CoverGirl Full Spectrum Foundation, the Matte Ambition All Day Shine Free Foundation. This one is in the shade FS120 Light Neutral. So I'm going to first blend that out with the Morphe E6 brush. This is just like a flat kabuki brush. And then I like to just go over top of that with the damp beauty sponge to get rid of any like excess product or any like harsh lines that we might have from the brush. I like to go in with the brush first just because I feel like you get like the most product, like the most out of your product like when you do that. Now for concealer, I think I'm just going to use the same Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This one is a little bit too light for me, so I'm going to go ahead and use the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. This one is in the shade Tan, just to kind of even it out a little bit. I think I'm just going to do like one tiny dot on top. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend it out with a Morphe E20 brush. And then again, go over top of that with a damp beauty sponge just to kind of do the same thing. Get rid of any harsh lines or any excess product. And then to set my under eyes, I'm just going to be using all of my translucent powders mixed in one. And then I like to buff out my under eyes first one more time, and then don't look down, don't give them a chance to set, or crease I mean, and then go ahead and just set it with that powder. And then with the powder, I kind of just like to go right alongside my nose, kind of create a little bit of a contour. I'm not really big on contouring my nose, but I like to do this with the powder. And to set the rest of my face, I'm using the CoverGirl Full Spectrum Face Powder. This is one that goes with the foundation. I'm just using a big powder brush from Real Techniques. Now for contouring and bronzing, we're going to start off by contouring the face with the Hoola Bronzer by Benefits. I'm taking a Morphe M530 brush. We're going to dip into that one first. And we're going to lightly contour these cheeks. And then for bronzing, like tanning up the skin, I'm going to use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Bronzer. And I'm picking that up on a Morphe M527 brush. It has like a really nice shape to it that fits right into those contours. Really nice. For blush, I'm going to be using these two blushes. So of course I'm using my Loreal TrueMatch Super Blendable Brush in the shade Apricot Kiss. This is like my favorite drugstore blush. And then I'm going to go on top of it with this little trio thing that I got here from the Balm Cosmetics. It's just like a little cute little thing, and it has your bronzer, blush, and highlight in here. I'm not really one for the bronzer just because it's like really shimmery. I don't really care for shimmery bronzers, but I'm going to go ahead and use this Cindy-Lou-Manizer blush as a blush topper just because it does have that shimmer. So first, dipping into the L'Oreal blush, I'm going to go ahead and apply that. And then I'll dip into that Cindy-Lou-Manizer and just kind of hit it very lightly, just to give the cheeks some type of shimmer. And I kind of like to go a little bit heavy-handed with the blush. Oh my god, I can't fucking talk today. I like to go a little bit heavy-handed with the blush because right here, when we dust off this powder, I kind of like to just bring it down right on top of the blush. And it kind of takes just a little bit of it away, but it also lets it blend super nicely into where we're going to put this highlight right on top of it. So, and then I like to go over my entire face with this Sony Kashuk stippling brush. Just like to blend everything together, make sure it's all looking melted together as one. Now for highlight, I'm going to go ahead and dip into the same little trio from the Balm Cosmetics. This is the Mary-Lou-Manizer highlighter, and then applying it to the cheeks, high points of the face. And then I'm also going to take the same highlighter, put it on the inner corner of the eyes to make them really pop. And then just a tad bit on the bottom of the brow to give that kind of like a little bit of a lift. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and do the lower lash line. I'm not going to show it to you guys. I'm just going to start keeping the lower lash line like out of my videos just because I feel like it's the same thing, like over and over and over again. It's the same thing as like the top eyeshadow, literally the same order, more or less the same brushes, everything like that. So okay guys, so I went ahead and did my lower lash line, and then I did mascara because mascara is just like mascara. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the lips now. I don't know what I want to use. I have 3 lipsticks here. I think I want to use this little guy. I want something like nude because the eyes are kind of just like a lot, you know what I mean? So we're gonna go ahead and try this one first. This is the CoverGirl Melting Pout Matte Lipstick. This one is in, see what I mean? Can't fucking talk. This one is in the shade Champagne Showers. No, I don't like that. Let's try this one. This is the Urban Decay Vice Liquid Lipstick in the shade Kinky. What the fuck? There's just like 2 pink for me. I'm going to go ahead and go on top with the Dose of Colors Knock on Wood liquid lipstick. Oh, yes. So this one is the winner, Dose of Colors Knock on Wood liquid lipstick. I didn't want it so pinky. I wanted it really like muted and nude. This is it. Alright guys, and here it is. This is the finished makeup look. So for me, all I gotta do to finish off this look is curl my lashes. I don't use falsies. Go ahead and throw on some falsies if you guys want to finish off this look that way. But other than that, this look is complete. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? I'm actually really happy with this look. I like the way it came out. I was going for something blue. I didn't really know what I was going for, but I like this. I like this. I like the glitter. I don't really fuck with glitter anymore, but I need to start to, bitch. So yeah, if you guys aren't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button before you leave. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.